Woo! Bitch, this hairstyle though. Hey, 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 hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be showing you how I style my hair by using Kanekalon hair to do a braided ponytail. So keep watching. So the hair that I'll be using, this is XPRESSION's Sensational. Well, it's from Sensational, but this is the XPRESSION's line, I guess, and it's the African collection, but this is Kanekalon hair, and I got the 3-pack because I wasn't sure how much hair I really needed. I probably didn't need all of this, but it doesn't hurt to have it. And I got this from my local beauty supply store. This is in the color 2, and it is $11.99, so like $12. I've been dying to do this style for the longest, but of course it's a little hard because of the fact that my hair is 2 different colors, so I couldn't do it because there wasn't a color to match this side. But majority of the color had grown out on my sides, so I'm like, yes, now's my opportunity, let me go for it. You can see that my hair has been stretched. I did not blow dry my hair. What I did was, and you can check out my previous video on this, but I just washed my hair normal like I normally do every wash day, and then when I got to the part of towards the end of putting in my leave-in conditioner, I put it in 4 parts, and then I had braided each section. So there was like a total of 3 on each side. I know I did 4 parts, but I did like 2 braids in the back, 1 in the front, but I switched it up every wash day. But I did that, and I just let it dry overnight like that, and then in the morning I took it down and combed it out, and here we go, stretched hair. You can do this on freshly washed hair if that's what you prefer, but for me, I love all my styles to be on stretched hair. I have my giant scrunchie hair, but I'm going to put my hair in 1, and you can put it as high or as low as you want. I'm gonna try and aim for like the middle of my hair, but that's the first step, so let's get going. And I'm gonna use this because I like how it smells, of course, but I also like the type of hold. It is not a gel at all, but I do like how sleek it has my hair at times. So I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm going to also put some hairspray instead of gel. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and put this into a bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it into 2 like mini twists, and then have them come together so it forms a bun. So now before I continue on to the bun, I am going to get my hairspray. So this is Redken's Control Addict in, well, it's extra high hold. Yeah, extra high hold. So I'm just going to spray a little bit. Oops. Alright, so now I am grabbing the hair, and I didn't realize how long it was. This is how long the hair is. So anyways, so this is the hair, boom. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to take, where's my little scrunchie? Let me get a scrunchie. So I'm going to take the scrunchie, and I'm going to just put this in between the center part that was already made on the hair. I'm going to pull tight, And boom, there we go. So now I have this and the hair hangs. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to hold the end part, well, if I can get it, but the end part I am just going to use my fingers and kind of like pull the hair so it kind of isn't all one length. I don't want it to look so blunt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on top of my bun, and I'm gonna put it in the opposite direction of how I want the ponytail. So I want the ponytail to lay this way, so I'm gonna put it on this side. I am going to take some of that hair out, not a lot, but just taking some of it out. I'm just gonna pull that to the other side, and then now I'm just going to braid it all the way going down. Alright, so I went ahead and I braided the entire thing, well, minus the ends. I got kind of lazy, so y'all don't need to see that right now. If I was actually going out, then I would have continued to the end. But anyways, so now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is just use my hands and kind of fluff out the braid so it looks a little bit bigger. Okay, so I did it one time. I'm going to go back in and do it a second time. But this time I'm just going to pull a little bit. I'm not going to do the whole thing. Well, I'm not going to do the bigger parts. I'm just going to do like little sections. Okay, so now I am going to... Oh, you can see here, so the section that I had, I went ahead and twisted it, and I cut it because I started getting tired of twisting it and it started getting knotty. So I'm just leaving it twisted. If it wasn't so much hair and getting knotted quickly, then I probably would have braided it, but it's fine. So I'm gonna just take my time but kind of flip it over so it goes over my bun. And now what I'm going to do is kind of conceal my bun in it by opening up the braid a little bit more, and then I'm going to use pins to kind of hold it down. So now what I'm going to do is take this and just kind of wrap it around. Now I'm just going to add some cute little hair jewelry, and then the look is complete. Ta-da! I absolutely love this look. Like, I'm dumb hype right now. Y'all have no idea how hype. And I think I'm more hype for the fact that my hair has officially like grown out. What is wrong with me? See, I'm so excited I can't even talk straight. But I'm super hyped the fact that my hair color has grown out so much where I can't even do this style. Like, literally it has been killing me seeing this on hair pages. I'm like, I can't even do it because my hair color is still here. But oh, spicy. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you throw some comments in there if you want to share some ideas with me, or if you've tried this hairstyle or whatever. If you just want to say, hey, what's up, just comment. Other than that, share this video too, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Ooh, I'm so